In this video, let me show you how to fix the submit info to access your funds issue on PayPal. First, open your preferred browser in your PC or laptop. Click the search bar and go to paypal.com. After logging into your PayPal account, wait for it to load. After logging in, go to the Resolution Center. You can find it by clicking on Help, then typing Resolution Center into the search bar. Click on the article that appears and access the Resolution Center from here. Once you're in, you see the reason for the account limitation and what documents PayPal needs from you. This usually include a valid government issue ID, like a passport or driver's license, proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement, and if applicable, business or transaction documents. Make sure all documents are clear, readable, and match the info on your PayPal account. Upload them directly through the Resolution Center. After submission, PayPal will review your info, which may take a few days, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.